Guam be nyodo there and there Photoshop there used it. Let me check Photoshop is here. You the Adobe Photoshop CS3. Guam be nyod simple way. Okay, manyam or D2D la blur, and then let me simply give you a small clue. Here let's say width is 7, height 5 inches and all that. Okay, now what I will do here, being your method along, you double click this one, and you say it okay, because again go down one vehicle at again. Next thing we can say that learning, okay. Then we can say it here, Nuer Online. Okay. Yeah. Machine and the font, but the kagar, like you can put anything that you like. Let's say like this. Then we go to the side, we go to here, and then you grab this one, like this. Okay, we bring it back. Okay. You're in a quick way, and then. Don't duplicate when you want to, and then Alt your keyboard be ramping, and then you move your left mouse button down. Okay. Go away would be like you right, or don't leave much. Let's say that I'll call it down. They make any shoot a good Latin on it. Okay, don't they Larry Photoshop. Okay. So go on the show the side way down grade, you can do this. Okay. Go on color don't you go. I double click, you can double click on the FX. Go on, let me show you in full. Let me cancel this. FX, go on, you click it, and then so here you can even change it to anything that you like. Any silent and body. Okay, so it is all the I'll take it in one. So I'm not going to change my style. I like this style, so let it be there. So make thing don't all this thing because 15 minutes you can strike. Okay, now mission knock, and then I feel this thing is good. Next thing I can even make it look more better. We'll go to there I'm going. And they could jagama guade, the dogan de jagama guade. No de jagama shirat, don't miss it. Okay, they may simply try to push it forward here. Then the corner. Let me do this under in a mutually erasing key erase, so I can click and come down and look for anything. Let's say it is star, and then the other thing like this one, clicked. Let me simply do this. Okay, you can see them. Okay, and time share here, but it will make it look nice. Okay, so there. You can make it even more better. You can put this thing as well if you want to. Okay, now do you remember, right? So there Ramadan and go there Benam much there Ramadan and go there much. Okay, anyway, control, let's go back. One thing, so next things we can put some design consistent. So let me bring a photo right here, because go to Banajal Kel together. Okay, what we will do, let me simply bring these things here, this one tournament. Okay, what I will do with this photo, bend and drag here. You can see that. Let me decide it, and then bring it here. Okay, so right back. Okay, now tell me this one when I'm going to joke, so we cannot see it. So what I will do, I'm going to delete this layer, and then delete the layer, the white one, then when I move it. So next thing, but to back click, like now check click, and then I go direct to filter, then I go to blur, and then to blur to visually Gaussian's blur, and then you can see that now you can reduce it a little bit. Go to the job of me several George alone way down and go to that George killer. Okay, so they tour me there to put you when you don't want you leave it like that, but very important you make sure that check George alone, so but take a background as simply normal background. You simply say it, okay. Next thing, you can even put this kind of things. Okay, sorry, here let me not put this, let me put it like this. Okay, now you draw it, and then you go to select color, you can be able to see that. Okay, you can put anything there, whatever you want, whatever you feel like, and then double clicks, change the looks. Okay, yeah, do that. And for different cut over down and go. Okay, so you can reduce the opacity to normal. Alright, yeah, now this tool selection, and then you can even do this, so you can move it around, the way you want it. Don't let it go, it define, go down and go there, and let's say let it be right there. Okay, I will increase it. Yep, now it should look nice. Okay, yeah. Next, they're gonna Charlie font, they're gonna go to the corner, check this one learning, they're gonna get go. Don't make it look nice. You make sure that we change something make video go. Okay, you can do that. Alright, so such way you can do this. And let me show you guys another style here. Yeah, so what I will do, Batura, okay, let me put these things here. I just want you guys to fill this. The any tour you can put it there, right? And, it's up to you. They fill, they knock, you can put it. Could defend way down and go. Okay, so what I will do, I can even do this. Okay, now you can see it, you can fill it. I think you can fill this. Okay, now, so what I will do, I will simply try to do a little bit of this T equivalent. Okay, I can remove these things and do this. Don't share no long no more, so I can simply try to reduce the side of this and then bring it right here. Okay, let me do this. Okay, now so there jing could draw down a day door like and again, you know, everything is about creating something good. Now, in creative, you can do as many as you want. Then draw down and make a one again. I should have been limits. We go to be jal. Let me see if we put this ganja planter style. Okay. Now the intent was a pair. So anyway, this is how you can do anything with photo. Yeah, finally you can say save as, and then you give it a name, either the save a project, maybe the letter key. Simply you can do it as a final, so I can call it me. Okay, just don't mind about me save. Okay, now you can reduce the side quality of the photo, you can even increase the side quality of the photo. So let me say okay. Now I think we are done. Let me simply try to look for the photos under picture, this one, and then I will say it to me. Okay, this one. So Next, you can even come here, and this is it. You can increase the file size so it still look nice. So you say edit pictures, and then you go to coloring. You can even put some color that you want. Go down, go to there, George Kaja. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, do down biji de tour no more. They look nice Kaja. Be realika Kaja. Yeah. So jin take a long did go be mandan biji to go wandu, and then be realika. So like now, don't they me kim chile they knock they care they lelena. I can bring it here, take these things away. Okay, so don't they show no commission, and I can simply go back and then try to say it auto, and then I can simply say served. So again, do the con dit kaja, and number should be the final one. So which you talk we should ngajo again do down la do la lat kaja we should go be mungo abo be lat legend. So then thank you for watching. Slaughter and Goraja. Thank you.